Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Toaster. Multifunctional toaster. Kickstart your mornings with fresh toast or perfectly warmed bagels with the Mueller Ultra Crisp 4-slice toaster. Features cancel, defrost, and reheat functions, self-centering slot guides, and intelligent heating technology to deliver even toasting every time. Full control. 6 browning settings let you take control of your toasting level so you can enjoy your toast exactly how you like it. Memory recall keeps your settings saved, but with sleek touch buttons and LED display, it's just as easy to switch between settings. Extra wide slots. With each slot at 1.6 inch wide, the 4-slice toaster lets you fit long, thick slices of artisan bread, Texas toast, bagels, English muffins, and plenty more of your favorites. Perfect size for the modern family, with hungry mouths to feed each morning. Perfect as a new home essentials, Mueller toasters also make an excellent gifts for mom, combining functionality with style. Ice cream maker. Functionality. Turn almost anything into ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more. Wattage. 800 watts. Voltage. 120 volts. Customization. With the Ninja CREME, you can have total control of your ingredients from decadent gelato to low sugar, keto, dairy-free, and vegan options. Create frozen treats as unique as you are. Mix-INS. Customize your flavor and texture by mixing in your favorite chocolate, nuts, candy. Electric pressure cooker. 7IN, 1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Safety features. Includes over 10 safety features, plus overheat protection and safe locking lid. Perfect size. Cook for up to 3 people. Perfect for smaller families or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Hand mixer. Better than your grandma's dough blender. Solid pastry tool for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar when making fresh, homemade baked goods. Sturdy and durable dough kneader with metal blades that are twice as thick as some others. Wow the crowd with impressive results. Get ready for better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. Make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, pastries, and more. You'll be amazed at how quickly this tool works to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour, which creates a better, yummier end product. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Oven gloves. Silicone. Sturdy, flexible, high-grade oven mitts, trivets and mini pinch mitts with a honeycomb textured surface for a strong grip. Heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 15-inch extra-long oven mitts safeguard hands and forearms from hot cookware and boiling water. Use the trivets to protect kitchen counters or as a pot holder, and use the mini pinch mitts for instant gripping. Made using BPA-free food-grade silicone, this oven mitts pot holder set is sturdy, non-toxic, heat-resistant, stain-resistant, and safe for your loved ones. Waterproof silicone material is not affected by steam or hot liquids, so your kitchen counters stay dry and protected. They also can be machine washed and tumble dried to refresh its look. Digital measuring spoon. High precision for accurate measurements. Achieve unparalleled accuracy with our digital measuring spoon, designed for meticulous cooks and pet owners. This advanced food measuring scoop scale precisely measures from 1G up to 800G, with a minimal margin of error of just 1G. Ideal for ensuring consistent portioning of cooking ingredients or pet food. Versatile 5 measurement units. Our food measuring scoop scale transcends traditional scales by offering 5 different measurement units: grams, G, milliliters, ml, cups, fluid ounces, FLOs, and ounces Oz. Sandwich maker. The perfect gift. Whether it's a birthday, a white elephant party, or Father's Day, the breakfast sandwich maker makes a fantastic gift for all occasions. From dads to grads, It's the ideal present for busy professionals, students, and foodies alike. Make 1 or 2 sandwiches. Cook 1 or 2 sandwiches at once with this dual breakfast sandwich maker. It's great for couples, kids, and extra guests. Quick, easy, and ready to eat in 5 minutes. This sandwich maker lets you easily create a breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich in 5 minutes or less. Perfect for a quick meal on the go. Cook delicious breakfast sandwiches in the comfort of your own home. Skip the fast food drive-thru and the store's freezer section. Make your own hot, delicious breakfast sandwiches at home instead. Hand mixer. Superior performance. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer has 220 watts of power with automatic feedback, including smooth start feature with 3 low mixing speeds that eliminates splattering. Must-have features. 1-step power switch with 9-speed LED display. Easy to use. Simple on-off button, 1-touch speed control with 9 speed options. Extremely easy to store away and dishwasher-safe parts. Includes beaters, chef's whisk, dough hooks, spatula, instruction/recipe book, and sturdy snap-on case to store mixer and accessories. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Blender. Powerful 900W motor, pulse technology. Peak power 900W smoothie blender for shakes with upgraded all-copper turbo motor pulse technology. 23,000 RPM high speed, faster and stronger, but just as simple to use. With a simple press, this mixer blender lets you whip up drinks, dressings, and even baby food. Upgraded stainless steel detachable 6-leaf blade. This small blender has a 304 stainless steel 6-leaf blades, which can crush ice and frozen ingredients with ease. Turn even the toughest foods into nutrient-rich juice, shakes, and smoothies in 10 seconds. The removable blade assembly can easily be cleaned by simply rinsing with tap water. Larger capacity, portable design. The personal blender features 2 22-ounce blender cups and 2 to-go lids. Portable hooks add extra portability for carrying to the office, gym, class, car, or in your bag. All parts are no BPA to ensure healthy drinking. Bread slicer. Unique creative upgrade. This bread slicer with bread box adopts pull-out cutting board removable design. When using it, you need to pull out the cutting board close to the cutting board, which is convenient to pull out the cutting board, and the cutting board can bring the sliced bread into the bread box smoothly, avoiding touching the bread by hand and saving the time, and the practical design lets you enjoy a seamless bread-making experience. Multifunctional bread box. In order to better use with our pull-out bread slicer, we have a 9-liter large-capacity bread box for you. It is made of transparent premium makings.